Hello friends, my name is Devjyoti Rakshit. I'm going to teach you financial management. It's a very interesting subject, financial management. So as you know, the financial management comprises of two words, financial and management. You can say finance and management. So it is nothing but the management of finances. Management of finances. What is finance? When we don't have money to purchase house, car, then we go for the finance. And bank or other financial institution is there to provide us the finance. So in easy word is the management of finance. So where from we will get the fund and where to utilize. These are the primary question of the financial management. So we can say it's nothing but the procurement of fund. Procurement funds, there is collection of funds, that is how to collect or gather the funds and its effective utilization. So financial management, we can say it's procurement of funds and effective utilization. The definition can be given by two approaches. Actually in financial management there is two approaches. One is traditional approach and another is a modern approach. Two approach. Definitely we are in modern era, so we'll go by the modern approach. But to understand the modern approach, we need to understand what was in traditional approach. So it's earlier approach. During the inception of the subject, organization used to, the academician or the organization used to follow the traditional approach, and now it has shifted to the modern approach. The basic difference between the modern approach and traditional approach is traditional approach was mainly concerned with the procurement for funds. But it don't prescribe how to utilize. That is the proper utilization. It ignores the proper utilization. Financial management should be capable to say that these are the source where from we can collect the finances, and these are the possible best way or optimum way where we can utilize the finances. So the utilization was not there. So we can say it's outsiders looking approach. The approach is like that an outsider of an organization is showing its concern about the finances. So by name we can understand that what is outsiders looking approach. So it's how the outsiders looks at this subject, how outsider look at this subject, is the outsiders looking at. And with modern approach is concerned with the every possible activity of the finances. That is raising of the fund, utilization of the fund, with proper planning. It includes all the mathematical planning, simulation, financial engineering. These are the tools used to decide the decisions of the financial management. And another thing is that it ignores about the short-term decision, short-term finance problem. Like working capital decision. In modern financial management, we do have a chapter is the working capital. But in earlier days, it was not that. Actually, the change was made after 1950. 1950, you can say after 1950, the era of the modern approach has been started. Actually, in the 1950, a new theory has come, the theory of portfolio. And in 1958, and the theory, important theory of finance has derived, that is the theory of leverage. So we can say after 1950, the modern approach has been started. The traditional approach has been shifted to the modern approach. Now we need to know the three important decisions. In modern approach of the financial management is concerned with the three decisions. These are very important for your examination and whole life. First one is investment decision. Number two is the financing. Financing would be, okay, leave it. Investment decision, financing decision, and the dividend decision. What are these decisions? Will come into it and we will elaborate it. Now we need to know the definition of a financial management. Let me change the page. So you can say, broadly you can say financial management is an activity concerned with the planning, raising, controlling and administering the funds, the traditional view definition. Financial management can be defined as an activity concerned with planning, raising, controlling and administering of funds. Fund means the financial resources. So these are this could be one definition. Financial management in short is an activity concerned with planning, raising, controlling and administering. the financial resources. This is the one definition, but now I will tell you the another definition. There is also most important definition. It represents the modern view. The concept of the wealth has is been reflected here. That is, financial management is a study. Definitely, it's a branch of study concerned with maximization of wealth, of the owners how they can maximize the value of the wealth by increasing value of the farm. So financial management is a study concerned with the maximization of wealth. So it's the definition, it's the objective, maximization of the wealth of the owners. Definitely maximization of the wealth of the owners. So how they maximize the wealth of the owners? By increasing value of the farm. Because owners are owning the organization or the farm. So owners by increasing value of the farm, which is reflected in its earning per share, EPS, earning per share, and market price of the shares. This is a very interesting definition. So financial management is a study concerned with the maximization of wealth. So objective is maximization of wealth of definitely of the owners by increasing value of the farm. So how would I know that wealth is maximized? That will be reflected in two things. EPS, earning per share. What is EPS? Earning per share. It's the net profit or distributable profit or the profit available for distribution, whatever you say, profit divided by number of equity shares. EPS. And market price of the share? Market price is nothing but the price of the share market. So the market price of the share depends on several things. One of the important thing is its demand. If the demand increases, definitely the value rises. Okay, hope things are clear up to that, the definition of the financial management.